Every memory sprite needs tools.
And every tool asks for memories in a different way. The reader sprite uses the tools of reading.
The prism of memories. It can reveal an entire memory at once. A
equals f.read.
The scroll of complete memory. It contains the complete contents stored inside the file. The spell
f.read opens the entire memory. It brings everything at once.
Can it read only part of the memory?
Yes. The spell f.read open parenthesis n close parenthesis reads only the first n characters.
Okay, now I understand. If we provide a value n, the read function reads only the first n characters. But if we don't provide n, it reads the entire content of the text file.